Hi, and welcome to another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to unbox a Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo from 2021 from Minichamps, 1/18 scale. There was no Cross Turismo available at this time, so I used the regular Porsche Taycan. So, let's see what we are working with. This is gonna be a custom build, and I'm giving you some previews about the car it's gonna be. And when you're here, please go subscribe, like, share or comment and put on your notifications bell. You help me a lot. The Minichamps cars are such good quality and heavy too. I think it's weighing about a kilo, maybe something less. The paintwork and the details are nice too, but I'm gonna change that because the car have to have another color. And the interior have to have another color too. So let's take it from the stand. It's a model with no opening parts, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe I'm going to add some lights, but we shall see. And look at the details. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you shall subscribe or like, share or comment, put on your notifications bell to see how this project is going. It's gonna be one hell of a build, one special one. I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.